Amaphoyisa ase-Gauteng enze umkhankaso obizwa nge-Operation Chanel endaweni yase-Eldorado Park namhlanje ekuseni okungenye yezindawo ezihlonzwe ubugebengu esifundazweni. Baningi abasolwa ababoshelwe amacala ahlukahlukene okubalwa ukutholakala nezidakamizwa nokutholakala nezibhamu ezingekho emthethweni. Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa esifundazweni sase-Gauteng okuLieutenant Jenene Tommy Mthombeni obehola wona lo mkhankaso uthi nakuba izinhlelo ezifuze lezi zithele izithelo ezinhle, ukuzimbandakanya komphakathi kusemqoka kakhulu ekulweni nobugebengu.
Inkonzo yesipolisa yoMzantsi Afrika iqhube iphulo layo i-Operation Chanel kwindawo yase-Eldorado Park nalapho ibambe abarhanelwa ngezenzo zolwaphulo-mthetho ezohlukeneyo. Injongo yeliphulo ikwakukunika ingqwalasela kulaa ngingqi njengenye yendawo eziqatseleyo kulwaphulo-mthetho.
We managed to arrest 925 suspects wanted, of which 233 is gender-based violence. Added to this, we, of course, it was clearly reflected that for the quarter, they managed to arrest 128 illegal immigrants. They managed also to arrest people for possession of unlicensed firearm and ammunition, 19 and 212 ammunition. And the drugs, which is a problem in Eldorado Park, they managed to arrest 179 of people who were found in possession and dealing with drugs.
Umkomishinala wamapolisa wephondo laseGauteng uLieutenant General Tommy Mthombeni nobekhokele iliphulo uthi noxa lamaphulo esenza umehluko omkhulu nje kodwa kuninzi okusadinga ukwenziwa futhi ngenkxaso yabahlali.
Crimes happens to be reported by the community. It means that we still have a lot to do because in any event, even if the crime have decreased, as long as the crimes gets reported, it means we have to be still on the ground and ensure that we try by all means to suppress the crime. We have to work closely together with the community, with the law enforcement agency.
Umkomishinala wephondo uqukumbele ngelithi basaqhubeka ukubeka iliso elibukhali kwiindawo ezidinga ingqwalasela kuquka nokuqinisa amaphulo wabo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eEldorado.